fam? So today Omar and I are getting ready to do it again. The Faze Rug Tunnel, but this time we're gonna go further. We're gonna try to find the end of this tunnel. I am completely freaked out right now, as much as I'm sure you guys are freaked out. Shout out to Faze Rug for doing a reaction video on Omar's video today. This is what's inspiring us to go a little further, but also one more thing. Last night we heard a girl in here, and a lot of you guys have been saying, what if there is a girl trapped in that tunnel? This is why we're coming back. We're gonna go to the end. Hopefully there's nobody in here, but let's go find out.
That was good. You scared the crap out of me.
Yo, that's that first turn we got, bro. Make sure there ain't nothing down there. What the heck was that?
I have no idea. What the heck? Oh my god. Why are we coming back?
I don't know, dude. This is not smart.
Look, it did it again. Okay, this is the first manhole that we crossed.
Oh, it's getting wide.
Right here.
Careful.
Oh gosh, this got really wet. Be careful.
Alright. Oh, please don't let me fall in. Ooh. Oh, yes. We made it. Alright, let's keep going. What?
You heard that?
Bro, is somebody coming? Bro, let's just keep going.
I cannot believe we came back here.
I know.
Alright, we already went this far.
Do it this way.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, dude, I got a spider on me. Dude,
Oh my god, there's a freaking spider in the freaking ear!
Get it off.
It's in here!
Get it off! What the hell, bro? Stop messing with me. I just really did run into that spider web right there. Oh, don't give me no kiss. Yo, we made the third manhole tunnel. Is this a third or second?
I don't know, but there's a big giant penis in front of you.
The what? Oh, okay, I won't show that. All right, guys, I'm taking the lead for a little bit. I've been letting Omar go first. Very happily, by the way. But I can't see anything anyway, so hopefully I don't hear any crazy noises. Oh, dude, it gets really thick here, bro.
I feel like we're ready.
I don't know, we're really close. But dude, this is where we heard that noise. Bro, I just told that. What? This is where we heard that noise.
Oh yeah. Go a little bit on the side. Hey, look, James.
What's up?
Our little friend.
Oh, hello.
He's in the same place that we left him yesterday. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Can I pet you? Oh yeah, you know yeah. Want a pet roach, bro?
No. Guys, we reached the fourth manhole. This is almost to where we were yesterday. And I'm starting to get a little anxiety.
This is the very last manhole, which was number 4. And the reason why I know this was the last one is because I remember this dirt pile here. And all we gotta do is walk right on it. So this one's easy. I wonder how many more manholes there are.
I don't know. Oh! I just banged slipped and banged my head on here.
You okay?
Yeah, if that's the worst thing that happens, I'm very happy.
Alright.
Oh God, I just splashed myself again. I'm horrible at walking through this stuff.
Bro.
What?
I swear I heard something.
What?
Oh my god!
What the hell was that?
Dude, did you hear that?
I heard a laugh.
Bro.
Bro, why are you going back that way?
Because I want to see if maybe that's the little girl or the person that's down.
Do you need help?
Who's down here? Say something.
was that?
Dude, what did that sound?
Bro, that sounded like a laugh. But if there was somebody lost in here, why the hell would they be laughing?
Here's another hole. Not sure where that goes.
Bro, weren't we right near that hole when we heard those noises?
What if that laugh is coming from here?
No, it sounded like behind us, but it could be. Maybe there's somebody above ground laughing.
Anybody there?
Bro, it's probably somebody laughing like on top of the street or something.
Alright.
Let's go.
Got really, really hot. So let's see my jacket on. It's already getting really creepy in here. Guys, if you ever find this...
I got him. I got him. I got him on video. Again. Oh, it gets wide.
Hey, didn't it... Something about Mike Olson?
Why, does it say that?
Yeah.
What does it say?
It says something about Mike Olson. Mike Olson never lived through this tunnel.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Bro, has anyone ever caught that on video?
I don't know. I guess he was somebody who died down here. Hey, look. There's another manhole. This is number 5. We didn't go this far, bro.
No.
Definitely did not go this far. Oh, look, this one's covered. We definitely did not come this far. Dude, look.
Yeah, that's sparky. No, that's my shoe.
Okay. Look, I see something up there. Oh, it's a doll.
It's a doll.
We definitely didn't come this far.
What the heck? Don't pick it up.
Think it's like voodoo?
Bro, let me see.
What the hell would that be down here for?
What? Dude, that's... Bro.
Oh, that's freaking scary.
Wait a minute.
What?
Remember there's supposed to be a girl in this tunnel that we heard last night?
Well, we don't know for sure. I mean, we definitely heard of it.
But why is there a freaking doll in the middle of a tunnel?
Anybody here? Hello? Bro, this tunnel just keeps going, dude. Just leave it. I probably got cursed right now for touching it.
I ain't touching it. That's freaking creepy.
Dude, this tunnel is like really creepy. Just keeps up to break.
I don't like seeing that. Maybe that's the point of no return right there. I don't know.
I didn't even see that. The point of no return thing? We didn't see that.
Where?
Remember when we read that? The point of no return?
Yeah.
Oh, it was way back there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's back there.
Dude, this kind of is scary. Look. This collapsed at one point.
That's how Mike Olson died. He died in a collapse.
Really?
Yeah. Bro, you know what I just thought of? That doll's in the same spot Mike Olson died. What the? Bro, did you hear that?
Bro, that's coming right from where that doll is.
Dude, we gotta go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I'm not going back. We're gonna go.
Run, bro.
I'm freaked out.
James, this tunnel looks like crap. It looks like the whole thing collapsed at one point.
Don't say that, bro. Please don't say that.
There's no graffiti in this part. Nothing at all.
I feel like we've been walking. Huh?
Just kill your light for 1 second. Bro, my light is dying. Look.
Okay,
like
well.
my powerful light too. Oh, just ran into a spider web. Oh, dude.
Huh?
This is where, look.
What?
I found like some satanic stuff in here.
Oh crap.
666 and like the double.
Bro, my light just went out.
What the hell? Are you serious?
Bro, you better. No, I didn't bring my backpack because I put brand new batteries in this before we came. Dude.
We so
Great, now I'm not gonna be able to see nothing.
Look at this. Okay, this is 6th manhole. What does that say? Gets smaller?
Oh, dang. I don't like this, bro.
I don't like it either. How'd you get stuck in the dark?
I'm right behind you, bro. What the? I heard something back there. Oh God.
Was that you, dude?
No. No, I heard something back there.
Someone following us? Bro, you heard that freaking knock?
I heard. It's like a scrape almost.
No. After I said, is someone following us, it was a knock, like you know.
No.
Yeah, it was much louder than that. It almost sounded like it was coming from one of those manholes. How's your light?
It's dead.
It's completely dead.
I didn't try.
On you?
Nope. Because it didn't work down here, so I didn't think I needed it.
Okay, well.
I wish I had it now.
I do have my phone.
You have any reception?
No. No reception.
Okay.
Oh.
Dude, what? Turn it on. God, hurry up. Did you turn that off? Or?
No, just turned off.
Oh, dude, your Well, I hope your battery's not dying. Ow. I'm not even recording. Bro, what is going on?
Dude, my light
Turn it back on.
My camera light died.
Turn it on, dude.
I can't turn it on. It's not doing anything. Look.
Bro, come on.
I'm pushing the freaking button. Oh, you know what's cool though? I can see your selfie screen light.
Well, that doesn't really help too much.
My flashlight died. My light from my camera died. Our only source of light is my cell phone. This is not good.
Bro, turn it on.
I'm trying to turn it on, chill.
It's easy for you to say.
Oh, bro, no, please don't.
Come on. Bro, I'm not being stuck in this tunnel in the dark.
Try this camera on. Oh, look, it turned on.
Oh, good. Oh, come on.
Bro, I can't help it, dude. My crap's freaking dead. At least I brought more lights than you.
Yeah, well, next time I bring more batteries.
Bro, this thing is dead.
Your light? Bro, you need to...
Here, just come on. Keep walking with me. Just trust me. I'm hearing something up there. I think we're okay. Just walk really wide. What the heck was that?
It's water dropping.
Bro, I cannot believe how dark it is.
What the fuck? Bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm staying next to you, dude. What the hell? Bro. Bro, I feel like, dude. I'm holding onto your backpack. Why do I not have another light?
What the hell, bro? What the heck is that, bro?
I don't know, bro.
There's something behind you.
Dude, bro, please.
Dude, just stick with me. Stick right next to me.
I'm right next to you, bro. Bro.
What?
I got a lighter, bro. I totally forgot, bro.
Dude, you really do?
I got a lighter.
What the heck?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my gosh, there's something behind you!
What are you talking about? No! What do you mean? Something behind me!
Your lighter.
What the fuck? What was that? Did you really see something behind me, bro? What? What?
Just broke my finger, bro. Chill. Bro, I swear there was something right behind you, dude. Dude, I'm not even kidding, dude. Did you see that?
No.
Bro.
Just go. Just keep going, bro. Just keep going. I don't want to stop.
What the hell?
Dude, you're freaking me out.
What was that? Oh my gosh.
I gotta look at my footage. I gotta look at it.
Ah!
What?
I just keep burning myself. Chill. We're just gonna only use the lighter for emergencies, okay?
Let's look at our footage.
I can see you. I can see you because of your selfie light.
All right. right, guys. Omar, can you flash your LCD screen at me? Guys, I don't know if you can see me at all. Yeah, a little bit. We're not doing too good. Let's see, my light died, Omar's light died, and then just now, as Omar was talking into the camera, he took the lighter and he dropped it in the water, and there's no spark anymore. All we have is our LCD screens. He just put a message out on Twitter just to let everybody know that we're stuck down here with no light.
But we're okay though. Like,
yeah, we're okay, except the freaking thing that you said was behind me, which we haven't heard anything.
Nothing's messed with us though. We haven't. Did it touch you?
No, I didn't even see it, like feel or touch anything. What? Bro, is that frogs again? Is that the... Dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's go. Just a little bit further, do I hear frogs? Please tell me that's... I don't know, but please tell me that's... What?
Oh, it's not frogs. Just water.
Alright, keep going.
Hey, that was definitely frogs, bro. That was frogs. Wait a minute.
What?
There's like a manhole right here. Careful. I can hear it. You hear that? Bring it close.
Please. Alright guys, we made it out. It's morning time. Sorry for the bad lighting. We couldn't do anything about it. We were in there so long, our lights turned off, and hey, at least I had a lighter. That's a good thing. So it saved our butts tonight.
Dude, what the hell is in this tunnel?